SEO with AI in this particular video of the course. Friends, today we will talk about types of SEO. So let's see. Because guys, when we do SEO, what do we do then? So basically the 3 points which I have written on the board, these are the activities. Okay friends, so this is the way we do SEO. I mean SEO is done, which is implemented practically. Okay. So friends, here basically if we see what most of the people know is on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Because many people consider technical SEO as part of on-page SEO, but it is slightly different. It focuses on a website's backend elements. So we divided it into 3 parts. Technical SEO, second is on-page SEO, and third is off-page SEO. Now guys, we will give you an overview of all 3. But inside this course, you will also get details on technical SEO. What does it include? And also what is its checklist, okay? What are the things that happen in on-page? What is the checklist? Practically you will be taught how to do on-page SEO in this course. And the third one is off-page SEO, which means link building or backlinks are created within it, okay? This will also be taught practically with different activities that you will be taught to do practically. Now, let's understand the difference between these 3. What's the difference? So friends, first of all, if we talk about technical SEO, like this is a particular website. Now friends, when we talk about a particular website, okay? What is technical SEO? So friends, when a website is created or a website is built, so it is created in a particular coding language, and also its design is done in HTML or some other language. And friends, its coding is being done in PHP and .NET, okay? And when that website is fully created, it is uploaded to the server. Okay guys, got it? So that it can be easily accessed from anywhere, right? So the website designer designs the website with his creativity, the developer develops the website in different languages. And the servers have different configurations, and correct configuration is also essential. Now it depends on which server has been purchased, whether it is a reseller, meaning it is a shared server, shared hosting, dedicated or VPS. Okay. What quality server is this? That's the question. Now there is a laptop. The quality of a laptop. Now there is a laptop of 20,000 rupees, 2 lakh, and even a laptop of 50,000 rupees. Now friends, the more expensive the machine is, the better the quality of the material in it. Only then will it work accordingly. Right guys? You understood till here. So friends, whoever is the person of SEO here, the important part is that his role is not that important. Yes, but he is called technical SEO in SEO. So that any SEO expert or professional knows that when he does an audit, then technically if there is any issue in the website's URL, in its designing, and guys also in its coding, in the server or in the speed of the website, then friends, he should be able to tell the technical website designer development team or those who manage the server, meaning those from whom the server is taken, that this is a particular problem and it should be rectified, so that the technical speed of our website also becomes better. Okay, got it or not friends? Its pages, its loading, its designing in every way, its UI, UX, so everything comes under technical SEO. But friends, if the person of SEO has additional knowledge, only then will he be able to tell the team that there is a technical flaw in our website. Please get it fixed as soon as possible. So you must have become clear about what is technical SEO. Now we are talking about on-page SEO. So friends, what is on-page SEO? On-page SEO is that SEO which is done on the website page. Is it clear or not friends? So, running in the race of search, it is not very easy. And also running in the race of ranking. Ranking yourself at the top, ranking on the first page, all these are later things. The first important thing is search engine have some protocols, some algorithm, and also some parameters. So are your website or web pages made according to them or not? Friends, let's see further. And whatever needs to be added in them. Is it added or not? Any idea? Some examples, like those pages have meta tags, meta title, H1, H2. And besides that, the content, okay, and many other things related to it, images, etc. So all of this is a part of on-page. The purpose of on-page is that every web page and URL of yours should be made SEO friendly and also user friendly. Okay friends, let's see further. Making SEO optimized. This is the work of on-page SEO which is done by an SEO expert when he gets the website. Which keyword should be placed where on the website, what will the content be? Image type, H1, H2. Everything is its work. Do on-page SEO of that page. once perfectly. Okay friends, also all the pages on the website. Those who want to rank must do on-page SEO. This is the work of on-page SEO. Okay, this is done by SEO experts who have knowledge. Okay, now comes our third part, off-page SEO. Now in off-page SEO, no work is being done on the website. The work is being done outside the website. Okay. Now friends, pay careful attention here when a website is new. So it has no authority in the internet world. Like when there is a startup, no one knows about it, right? It just arrived, it doesn't have any network or goodwill. You can understand it like this. But as that businessman or that startup gets older, a good network gets formed, goodwill keeps building up, right? Well, it has a name in the market and also has a good reputation, okay? Also business grows well. Similarly, friends, the older the website gets and the better its off-page SEO becomes, meaning network. So friends, there will be backlink exchanges with good website, good authority website. Got it guys? Okay, the more solid its network, then the more its authority will increase, and as a result, its ranking will get a significant push in Google or other search engines. So this is basically done by creating a backlink. Now what is a backlink? What is link building? How many types are there? How is it done? You will learn all these things in this course. So there is a lot of practical stuff in this course. So today you must have got clarity on what is SEO, meaning what are the types of SEO, and you must have got clarity in all 3 points. And you will always remember it. Keep revising. Thank you guys. Bye.